See how hot the compost is. I smell it. It's warm. Probably could have stacked up in a tall pile like this one. This one's 21 days, 22 days. That's hot. That is hot. That one's warm. Let me see how it looks. Oh, it is hot. I just think it's tarp cooling off. This is got comfrey, lettuce, wood chips, sheep manure, sheep urine, whatever clean the barn up with. Puffy cheeks, did you get flogged? Okay. I'm gonna be trying to make some more of these. These are square bales. I cut tape with the scythe, dried it in the greenhouse and some in the field, and then make square bales. But this is the size of a rough square bale. And we got the holes in the door. This is sanded, smooth. Need sanded some more. Just pallet boards, a piece of plywood, holes in the back. We have some little latches on the front to hold the door closed. You throw your hay in there. Holes in the back here. Hay comes through. There's normally a pin here, but I've lost the pin. And this is just a board latched around with the press on the top. This swings over, bolted together, and presses the hay down, like the tobacco presses. There's two pins. This is removable, this is removable. And then you just push it up, put your hay in there, close it down. And you just throw little bits of hay in at a time to make your little biscuits. Built this when we had goats. That's how long it's been. This is an old hay baler. We used to drive it through the field after they mow hay and bush hog, and we'd scoop it up, put it here, put it back to Toyota. I got the hay bale done as best I could. Now it's time to tie it up. We got the strings going to the front. We also have some strings going through the back here. Tie it up so that we can just pull them around. I'm going to lift this up, pull these strings out, push it down, and tie it in the front. But this is about as good as I like it. It's about as much as I can push down so it doesn't break the string. I don't know exactly how tight it is or how much the bales weigh, but until it starts rocking, it's hard to push. That's about as much as I can. I've made enough of them I can tell right when these strings start to bust. I'll tie this up, pull it out, and I'll have 3 hay bales done so far this year. We've made about 5 or 6, but strings kept popping off when we hauled them off the mountain. Here's one, a whole bunch more to go.